Playing basketball can improve everyone's physical health, can build up muscle and build up endurance, can develop concentration and self-discipline, also improve speed and strength, and improve body composition. Playing basketball can improve mental health, can boost mood and relaxing. When I was playing, I can forget my problems. It can reduce stress and depression. Playing basketball can improve quality of life, boost self-confidence, help to find new friends, can teach what teamwork is. Playing basketball for Americans will improve a lot on me, on you, and every one of us.